Hi, my name is George Scott and I'm the Director of Operations here at Utelogy. You're joining us at InfoComm 2026 and today we are showcasing our platform as a whole. So Utelogy is a device agnostic monitoring and management platform that allows us to essentially talk to any device that sits on the network that has an API, pull data from that device to essentially allow us to help that service delivery and monitoring and management of that device as a whole. So we can take information directly from devices' APIs, anything that has one. We can also pull data from any of the proprietary management tools, and also the call platforms for the data around less around is it dead or alive, but how are those spaces being utilized? And we pull that all the way through into our platform and then output that data into the ITSM workflows. So that's a really quick overview of the Utelogy platform. If you'd like to find out more, please come to www.utelogy.com.